Hi, we're having a call on mats at the present moment. Everybody's coming and asking for mats, so they're stuck at home, nothing to do, and they want to hit off the mat. Well, mats are very expensive, if you can get them. We can't get them at the present moment, but there's another alternative. What you need to do is have a look at these two mats here. They're front door mats, I call them, and I just stand on one and I hit off the other, and it's not going to hurt the club, it's not going to hurt the ground. It's all right for me. You can see I've got nice grass. Take a photo of that lovely grass I've got there, Monique. So I can take a swing off that and not make too much damage, but I've been playing golf for a long time. But if you're just sort of starting out, it's a great way to start. Play from the front of the mat, don't play from the back of the mat, hit from the front, stand on one and hit off the other.